Morning, everybody. Hey, another episode. Today we're doing sheephead and whatever else we can get with rock crabs. Me and my big cousin. Hey, we just went and flipped rocks, caught a bunch of rock crabs. We're gonna see what they do. We're trying to get on some big boys today. Limit out. You know how we do it. Hey, if you like today's episode, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Y'all stick around. Stay tuned for some action. Let's get into it. All right, let's get up in here. What you got, a flat crab? I'm gonna try with a flat crab first. So I got 20-pound Power Pro on a medium action rod. Cuzzo, you know what he's got, 17 tri-lead. We got a 2-aught little short shank hook with 1 split shot. That's it. So you hook them straight through the side like that. And then,
this fish huge, bro.
Come on, man.
He's huge, man. I'm gonna have to hit the side with it.
Come on, man.
Then hit him up and down. That's how he's picking that curve.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to finesse him.
When you see him, you'll see what I'm talking about.
You're gonna have to finesse him. You got it. That's him. Oh, that's a drum there, boy. Got to be a drum. Way he running.
I told you he big.
You was right too. Hold on, let me get that net. Look, they following him to the top. Oh. Is he in the net? Damn, cuz. Did he come off? Oh! No! Come on, man. Now that's pretty bad, cuz.
Oh man.
Cuz.
Hey man, you
That's 2-0. 2 big sheephead I done missed on camera.
Oh jeez.
Man, I'm sorry, cuz. I owe you.
Man,
I owe you.
it's too many fish.
I owe you. I owe you. Nah, that's pretty bad there.
You know who's stressed about that?
That's bad.
Go get him, man.
That's bad there, cuz.
I'm out here with
He
salt
was
blood.
nice.
I'm out here with salt blood.
You the salt ninja.
No, man. Call me SK for Sheephead King.
Come on, man.
Dang, that was a nice tail.
That was a nice
But they
head.
following me. He following
You
me.
seen that?
I mean, it's a school down there.
I ain't never seen that. I ain't never seen sheephead trail another sheephead like that.
School down there, man. That's why I tell everybody who don't be really sheephead fishing,
Yeah.
who actually come out here to try to sheephead fish, always catch the first big one, because he'll move the entire school. If you miss that first big one, he'll move the entire school, and they will not bite no more.
You called it too. You said that was a big one.
I told you, man. I know how they bite. Them small ones, they on some other stuff, man.
Them small ones will suck that crab right off the hook.
That big one, he gonna sit there.
Yeah, he gonna tap it. He gonna bounce on it.
Cause he chewing on that crab. It's gonna be another big one. Just get the net ready again. Well, shoot, you should have hooked one this time.
Oh, I thought you was gonna say don't even grab the net. I do it myself.
That's a lot. There you go.
Got
There
it.
you go.
Oh, what the heck?
Come on, man. Not on the fish.
Oh!
Monster.
I gotta switch poles. Did you see that?
That was a monster.
Did you see my reel malfunction? You got him?
Yeah. He's small.
You show. Man, these hooks rated for
They rated for sheephead. Oh man. Hey, good. That was a giant you just had.
That was a giant, cuzzo. My reel malfunction. The gears ain't no good in this reel.
Hey, that was a monster you had. That.
The gears ain't no good. I might pull that 50 out on you. Huh? Come on now. You got him? Yeah! Oh, I'm coming. You got it? Man, you sure? Bro, that's a giant. Yeah! Oh! Bro!
Man, imagine how big that school is.
Bro, we just pulled up to some giants, cuz
Giant.
we done pulled up on some giants. You're gonna have to measure him.
Huh?
You're gonna have to measure him.
17.
Nah, he's 18 all day. Yeah, go on.
That's what you call a head.
That's a head. That's a real deal head right there, boy. Man, I can't believe my reel just malfunctioned like that. I gotta throw that one away. I gotta get rid of that reel.
What you have? That.
Yeah, he was running for the fences, boy. Bless him. Bless him with some sheephead for the Super Bowl party. They're gonna be like, well, you got this sheephead. Sheephead king. Come on, man, you got another one? Oh, that's a giant. Man.
I might have to switch to a 3-eye.
Yeah. That was a big one.
Well, I might have to go straight pro like you. So I can put some muscle to him.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
That's a good one there, boy. Get the net. Nah, he ain't that big. Boy, that got energy.
One dip, one.
I need some practice, huh? Huh?
No, man.
I need some practice dip net. Dang, I'm scared to stick my finger in there, cuz.
Go do the cheekbone.
Nice head. I'm tired of popping my line, man. It's right there, too.
All you gotta do is go do the cheek. Push it up.
That ain't gonna hurt if he bite me.
All right. Man, got it.
Huh?
You ever been bit by a child or something before?
A child? He do got teeth like a little toddler.
25-year-old.
Yeah.
Christian, baby. You gotta realize you been eating border for all day long.
That's a good one. Nah, I don't think it's that big. Yeah, he large. Oh, he swallowed my hook.
That's a head. Come on, little too.
Nice head. Nice head. Good job, Cuzzo. Let him fall. Dang, he completely swallowed it. Yeah. I'm trying to hit him so hard, he got to think about which way he about to swim.
Right.
Yeah, that's how you hit him. That's how you hit him, baby.
That's what's playing down there.
All right, this people is a stone crab. There is a difference between mud and rock crabs. This is a stone crab. See the pink hue on the knuckles? Oh, Lord. All right, that's good. All right, guys, we done moved again for the, what, the 20th time, cuz?
I seen a nasty alligator attack here years ago.
A dude got killed right here. Right out, there's a flat right on the other side of them bushes right there.
Yeah?
Yeah, like 15 years ago.
Gator killed him?
Yeah, it killed him. He was out there waiting.
There you go.
Uh-oh, you missed him then. Oh, I didn't come out here to get killed. There you go, good shot. Yeah, I ain't come out here to get killed.
They didn't raise a fool. If it was, it wasn't me. Wasn't me.
Yeah, I didn't come out here to get killed. I can think of all kinds of ways to die. You know, this ain't one of them.
That's got to be a bad way to go.
You done skip it. That's my nightmare. Somebody making me go out there
That's an evil death.
out there in the woods and then telling me if I can make it back to land, I'm good. I gotta go through the alligators and shit. Somebody would kill me.
Hey, I'd rather deal with the gators than the snakes.
Oh, me too.
I ain't just one.
Think about the snakes. You can't see them, you can't hear them. That's what I don't like about snakes.
Alligator. I'll bite on him.
Yeah, at least you could fight the gator a little bit. That snake bites you, boy, it's over with.
You talking about a good 11 feet, 12 feet gator. You ain't got no problem. You ain't got no. They gonna body slam.
I heard him.
I heard him.
To get back home to my kids and wife. I heard him.
It's gonna be a fight to the death. I bet you gonna know he's gonna be, once I get hold to him, he's gonna wish he'd have never grabbed my ass.
He might take a limb. He might take a limb.
We were gonna try to roll with him, whichever way you go. Try to roll with him. Your life, buddy, you ain't tearing on nothing.
But he gonna be hurting too.
That's
Well, it's starting to rain. That's gonna do it. Listen, this morning we pulled up to the bridge. As soon as we dropped some rock crabs down on the bottom, Sheephead, they was going crazy. Once again, Cuzzo spanked me today. I only caught, a few sheephead, but they were quality ones. But we had a good day, man. If you like today's episode, stick around for the next one. You know the spiel. Like, comment, subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you sheephead. Let me know how you what you like using for sheephead, whether it's oysters, crabs, shrimp, whatever. Stay tuned for the next episode. I promise I got a lot of good stuff coming up.